Hello, my name is Michał Karzyński and this is a brief demonstration of django-xmin, an alternative administrative interface for Django written in JavaScript using the ExtJS framework. Django-xmin aims to be an easy-to-use replacement for the regular Django admin, so you configure it just like you normally would. You install it by dropping the package into your path, then adding the app to your installed apps in Settings PY, and adding a line to your URLs-conf. To demonstrate the automatically generated admin interface, I defined a simple test model class with a selection of various field types and created a standard admin.py file. Once everything is set up and you log in, you will be greeted with this page. This is your admin's control panel with a grid of icons representing each model for which an admin is defined in your project. This list could potentially get quite long, so you can filter it down either to a chosen application, or you can filter it by name if you know exactly what you're looking for. Once you find the model you're interested in, you can open up a list of all instances of this model defined in your database. This list is buffered, which means that you can scroll through all the instances in your database without the need for paging. If you double-click any entry in the list, you will bring up an automatically generated editor for that object. As you see in this example, each field type is controlled by a widget appropriate for that field type, such as a checkbox for a Boolean field, a combo box for a field with predefined choices, or a date and time input boxes for a date-time field. Input validation occurs on the client side, as you can see when I type in an invalid IP address into the widget for an IP address field. Server-side validation is also used, as you can see when I try to change the value of this field with a unique constraint to a value which is already taken. When I try to save it, I get an error message, and the field is marked in red with the server's error message displayed in a pop-up. Windows in this interface are navigable through the browser's history. This means that when you click the browser's back button, the window which was most recently active will be brought into focus. This even works if the window was previously closed. Any change made in the editor is instantly recorded in the Recent Actions panel on the right. Furthermore, if I make a change in a value which is also displayed in another window, both values will be updated instantly. For instance, if I make a change in this integer field here, it will be updated in the list here. This ability of the GUI to update live stretches across all browser windows opened by all users. Let's simulate another user by opening this second browser in which another user is logged in. When that user makes a change in data on the server, that change will automatically appear in the windows of all connected users. This functionality should make real-time collaboration more intuitive and enjoyable. This short demo shows off only a subset of functions already implemented in django-xmin, and the development is proceeding dynamically. Major areas which still require work are relationships between model instances and custom admin forms. I hope to release this application soon under an open source license, and I hope that you have enjoyed this demo. Thank you very much.